In this video, I'll detail how to increase Apple Watch Series 9 brightness. So if you want to increase your screen brightness on your Apple Watch Series 9, you can do this without using your iPhone. So here, basically, I'm going to show you how to increase or how you can easily reduce the screen brightness on Apple Watch Series 9. So if I don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do here is this. Press the 2 crown to go back to the clock screen, and then press it again to go back to the app screen. On the app screen, click on settings, then scroll down and click on display and brightness. Then under display and brightness, you'll see under appearance, then tap this icon to reduce the screen brightness. That's the minimum. And then tap the second icon again to increase the screen brightness. That is the maximum. So that's how you can easily increase or decrease your Apple Watch Series 9 screen brightness. If you click on the control center like this, you'll discover that there's no option to increase or reduce your screen brightness on your Apple Watch Series 9. So you can only do this via the Apple Watch settings. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.